You know that moment when your pet is in the deepest sleep, completely oblivious to the world? It's like they've entered a food coma. But then you crinkle a chip bag, and suddenly, it's like you hit the snooze button on their dreams. Their eyes pop open, and they're wide awake, scanning the room like a secret agent on a mission. It's hilarious. They go from 0 to snack mode in a split second, as if they've been training for this moment their whole lives. You can practically see the gears turning in their heads. Where's the food? I know that sound. It's a universal truth. Pets have an uncanny ability to detect the sound of snacks from a mile away, and just like that, the peaceful slumber is replaced by an urgent demand for treats. It's a wild transformation that never fails to crack me up.